Hello everybody. Today I would like to talk about a conversation between two people. Conversation 1. The woman wanted to know if the man had heard that Sam got the promotion. The man agreed with her and he said that Jim had told him, and the man wondered if it wasn't right. The woman replied to the man, however, she thought that Pat should have got the one too, and she thought her really deserved it. Conversation 2. The woman introduced herself to the man, and she offered to help him. The man replied to the woman and he said to her that he was calling from the accounting office, and he wanted to know if he might speak with the director. The woman was sorry about the fact that she wasn't in, and she thought that she was a director assistant. She could help him. Conversation 3. The man wanted to know if what her special was that night. The woman replied to the man that she had the fresh rib and roast beef. The man disagreed with her that he thought ordered from something regular menu. Conversation 4. The man asked her if anyone had called while he had been out. The woman replied to the man that he had a message from Mr. Peters, and Mr. Peters said to that had sent to finish painting from the new office. The man was happy about that, and he said to her call him back, and he asked that him was sent to the bill from the accounting office. Conversation 5. The woman wanted to know if it was John's office. The man disagreed with the woman and he said that it was Cindy's, and he thought that mine would and the whole. The woman asked if how he had done you got such a nice office. The woman supposed that his boss had really liked him. Conversation 6. The man said to the woman that he has just received a bill from Mr. Ortega. The woman wanted to know if Mr. Ortega were her accountant, and she thought that Mr. Wilson had been. The man replied to that he had, however, he recommended Mr. Ortega, and he thought that she had a much better job. Conversation 7. The woman asked her if what her daughter was doing those days Frank. The man replied to that he has been at university and he studied economics. The woman surprised at that, and she thought her would become the lawyer like she. Conversation 8. The man said hello with Martha, and he wanted to know if he had seen Jim, and she was certainly doing. The woman disagreed with him. However, she said that she could plan to visit in the hospital that afternoon. The man agreed with her because he thought that his wife said he had a really warm visitor. Conversation 9. The woman asked Martin if that Sandy's car wasn't by the front door. The man disagreed with him and said to Easton and he know the new secretary. The woman was happy about that, and she said to that he had the better movie and he has parking in the director's place. Conversation 10. The man asked her if how much his bird were there. The woman replied that it had $1.50, and he wanted to know if he wanted a transfer. The man disagreed with her. However, he asked her told him when they got there to his store, he intended the would go into the central post office.